Namaste everyone, I'm Kavin of class 7. Let's see what is Darwin Day all about. Darwin Day. Every year the world witnesses a science gala on February 12 which is celebrated as Darwin Day across the globe. It is to commemorate the birth anniversary of Charles Robert Darwin, the father of evolution. The first February 12 celebration of Darwin Day occurred in 1909 at the New York Academy of Sciences at the American Museum of Natural History. From then, there was sporadic celebration of Darwin Day by science organizations and universities. The purpose of celebrating this day is to honor Darwin's contribution to science and promote scientific thinking. It is also known as International Darwin Day. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution is one of the most solid theories in science. Charles Darwin's 5-year voyage in 1831 on HMS Beagle as ship's naturalist has become legendary, as insights gained by the bright young scientist on his trip to exotic places greatly influenced his masterwork, the book on the origin of species. His observations while the Beagle went around South America and islands like Galapagos, San Cristobal, Floriana, and Isabella to collect specimens became the basis for his theory of natural selection. The theory of evolution by natural selection was first formulated in Charles Darwin's book on the origin of species, published in 1859. His work was criticized first, but after the discovery of DNA in 1951, Darwin's work was recognized and appreciated. In his book, Darwin describes how organisms evolve generations through the inheritance of physical or behavioral traits. The theory starts with the premise that within a population there is variation in traits, such as beak shape in the Galapagos finches. According to this theory, the species survived through a process called natural selection. This means that if an environment changes, the traits that enhance survival in that environment will also gradually change or evolve. Survival of the fittest, term made famous in the 5th edition of On the Origin of Species by Darwin. This suggested that organisms best adjusted to their environment are the most successful in surviving and reproducing. Darwin noticed similarity among all the species all over the world. In this context, he used the analogue of tree of life to demonstrate that all species are related and have evolved from a common ancestor. Later, Darwin's theory of evolution and the process of natural selection came to be known as Darwinism. Darwin changed the world with his theory of evolution. This theory also provided the impetus for scientists to re-examine the question of heredity and inheritance, leading to the rediscovery of Mendel's laws and the evolution of the field of genetics. The event emphasizes the importance of science education in today's world and the impact that evolutionary biology has on many aspects of our lives. The objective of International Darwin Day is to encourage people throughout the globe to reflect and act on his principles of intellectual bravery, perpetual curiosity, and scientific thinking. Thank you.